Hi there, welcome to my video. Here I will demonstrate how to use my team profile generator. So this is an app which will generate a web page which will contain teams info. You have to answer your questions on the terminal and your responses will create an index.html file which you can open in any browser. So let's just not waste any more time and quickly dive into how to use this app. So first I will show you the test cases that has been written in here and how to run them and how to validate them. So you can see there are 4 test files in here: employee, engineer, intern, and manager, or test.js. So these are all just test cases. So I will just open it in integrated terminal. So I will write npm run test. So this is the command that will run all the 4 test cases in one go. All the sort of the 4 test suites. So you can see all the just has started running, and yes, all of them, there are 4 test suites that are being currently run. Yep. Okay, so here we see all the 4 of them has passed successfully, all the 4 test suites, and in them there were 22 test cases and all of them has passed. So now what I will do, I will quickly show you how to answer the prompts and create the index.html file. So for that we will open this index folder, index.js folder in the terminal. So we have the team profile generator, we are on that directory, and here I will write np node index. Just go through the installation guide on my readme in the project folder. So there you will find more details how to install this app. So node index, as I press enter, you can see a question comes up on with manager's name. So these are the manager's prompt that comes up first. So you have to write down the manager's name. I'm just putting some random data in here. That's for ID. I'll put in the ID. That's for an email. So I will write an email. So I will just quickly show you that if you put some erroneous email, it will validate it. It will show you that enter a valid email. So that one validation is also there on the email. I'll say that's for an office number. That's for something. Okay, now it asks for to enter me A, B, or C. A for to add engineer, B to add an intern, and C to finish up and build the web page. So at this point, I will add an engineer. So I will choose A. So you can see a prompt also comes up saying add engineer. As soon as I press enter, I get engineer questions. So as usual, it starts up with name. Asks for an ID, asks for an email ID. Then a Git username. So I will put my own username in here. So for engineer, this is the change. It asks for Git username. So now I will put another engineer in. So let's make the web page. It will have some data and will look better in that way. So we'll keep on putting values in it. Then put my GitHub ID. Okay, so we already have added 2 engineers. Now we'll add an intern. For intern, we need to choose B. So it asks for intern name again. So I will put name, employee ID, address. Then for intern it asks for school. So let's put Cambridge University on that one. Okay, let's put another intern in. School. Oxford University. Yeah. Let's press enter. Okay, so we get the prompt again. So you can see. Now we want to finish up building the web page. Means we are done entering the data. Now we want to finish up and build the index file instead. So we will not choose A or B, which adds an engineer and intern, but we will choose C, which says finish. Finish means it will finish up adding data and it will now create the or build the web page. So I press enter. So you can see HTML is logged and that index.html file is now got created over here. So we will just go over it in the dist folder. You can see here it is. Here is our file. It has created a nice index.html. So we will open this file in the web browser quickly. Here we are. We are on the My Team web page now, where you can see all the data that we have entered for manager, engineer, and interns. It has created nice cards for them where you can easily access their email ID, their Git user ID for the engineers. So all details are in here. So if you click this email ID, it will also take you or open your default web browser and it will populate this email ID in the to field and create a blank email for you, a new email where you can send the email right away. Okay, so that's a useful feature, I think. And then also you can access the Git user ID, means the Git page. Just by clicking on here, you see another tab gets opened and you can access the Git web page. So this is my Git web page because I have given my user ID in here. So that is how you have to use my app, and this is what the end product is. I hope you have liked it and you will use it. For any questions or suggestions, please feel free to drop me an email. My contact details are in the readme of this project folder. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great rest of the day.